How to install electric bus air conditioners. Step 1. Let's get to know each part of the bus AC unit. And this is KingClima 260E electric bus AC unit for 8-10M electric buses with 26 kW cooling capacity. The first, check the dimensions of the installation parts. The second, seal well to prevent leaks of the air outlet and air inlet. The third, please install the cover as the picture shown. The fourth, please check the installation of the small parts as the picture shown. Step 2, get the bus rooftop part ready. Cutting the hole on bus rooftop, welding the bolts in advance. Seal air conditioner outlet and inlet with sponge. Glue around the sponge to prevent leakage. Glue to the shock-absorbing rubber block and rubber strip to prevent leakage. Smooth the Sika glue around the sponge strip and rubber block. Confirm the position of the holes and start to install the bus air conditioner. Locate the mounting hole, align the embedded bolt, and lower the air conditioner. And then put shims and nuts in every embedded bolts. Tighten every nuts in embedded bolts and use Sika glue to seal them again. Step 3, install the electrical parts. At first, please check the following wiring diagram. Open the high voltage box, and then connect wires. Connect the wire harness and control panel as the picture shown. Connect the grounding wire as following. Install the return air grills. The last step is installation and fixation of the cover fairing. Thanks for your watching. If you have any needs or questions, just please feel free to contact us.